invites me to check out the place here or tingnan yung planta. And at the time, I'm already impressed that, when somebody build a company and be creative about it and sustain it and make it big, I'm also proud of his accomplishment and the family too. But the achievement of the family at RGE will not be complete if, of course, without the management team and all the team members. So I'd like to congratulate all of you also for this success. Ngayon naman, I'll be visiting the plant quite often. And siguro pag nakikita nyo ako, then I would greet you, good morning, good evening. Sabihin ko sa inyo ganun. So, do you know ang ibig sabihin yan? Si Daday alam na. 2,000 kilos ang ibig sabihin. Hindi ang piece. Ngayon, pag hindi natin nakuha yung 2,000, si Daday gaganito. But anyway, congratulations also that you are achieving the level of 2,000 kilos per day. So again, let's enjoy this day and let's have fun. Thank you.